Today we're taking a closer look at the Parkside Laminate and Parquet Repair Kit. This is a complete repair solution designed to fix holes, scratches, dents, and damaged spots on laminate floors, parquet, furniture surfaces, and other wood-style finishes. Inside the kit, you'll find multiple colored wax blocks, a heating tool for melting the material, a scraper for leveling the surface, cleaning pads, and shaping tools, all neatly stored in one compact case. The idea is simple. You melt the repair material, match the color to your floor, fill the damaged area, and then level everything out for a clean finish. This kit is perfect for small accidents, dropped tools, furniture marks, pet damage, or holes left behind after removing fixtures. It's also great for rental repairs or quick workshop fixes where replacing an entire panel would be expensive and unnecessary. The different wax colors let you mix and match until you get a shade that's close to your surface. You don't need a perfect match. Once blended, the repair becomes barely noticeable. The heating tool allows you to melt the wax precisely where you need it, giving you full control over the repair. And the scraper included in the kit helps you flatten the area so everything sits flush with the floor. This is one of those tools you don't use every day, but when you need it, it saves you time, money, and frustration. Alright, now let's fix a real problem. Here you can see the hole in the laminate floor. First, we heat the repair material so it becomes soft and workable. Next, we select a color that's close to our floor tone. You can also mix multiple colors if needed to get a better match. Once the wax is ready, we carefully fill the hole, making sure the damaged area is completely covered. Take your time here. It's better to slightly overfill than leave gaps. After that, we use the scraper included in the kit to remove the excess material and level the surface. Just gentle pressure, slow movements, and clean passes. And just like that, the hole is gone. The surface is smooth, the color blends nicely, and the repair is barely visible. A simple fix that would normally require replacing boards, done in minutes. This repair method works on most laminate and parquet surfaces and is perfect for quick home or workshop repairs. If you found this useful, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and join the Mr. Eaglestone crew for more DIY projects, tool reviews, and workshop upgrades. See you in the next one. And remember, great tools make great projects.